Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As you can see, as every Monday, we're here at the PANATTONI Cafe in the center of Warsaw, right next to the Bruvaria, Królewskie Bruvaria. And we are it's Monday, and this Monday is actually a big holiday in Poland and most, if not all, of Europe and the area. But we always want to make sure that you get your business news and your real estate news from us every day. We got here a little bit early, so I ordered the breakfast. They have great food, great coffee here. Always a good place to pop in if you're in the center of town for breakfast. We'll shoot over to Winston right now for the headlines. Winston Norman, our editor in chief, he's got a lot of great headlines for you today. We'll do the headlines, and then we'll be right back.
Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show from PANATTONI Cafe. My name's Winston Norman and here are the headlines for today's show. And today we'll start with Consortium of Banks refinance the Warsaw place. Barbara Sikora joins GTC as CFO. Julius opens the biggest office building in Romania, and 40 Management officially launches Central District Lagoon City.
Okay, Winston, thank you for those headlines. Exciting news coming up a little bit later today. Just to let you know, we got a lot of things going on, and if you haven't signed up for our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, now is the time to do it. Even if you're not doing anything in the Baltics, if you're doing things in Poland, northern Poland, this is a great opportunity to get over to where we're doing the event, which is Sopot, which is in the Tri-City area in Poland. It will be great weather and the event is on the 25th of May at the Radisson Blue Hotel. A lot of people from office, retail, warehouse, marinas, ports, PRS, a lot of investors from Scandinavia, from the Baltics, from the Nordics coming over to see what we're doing. So really a great opportunity for some networking and really to find new businesses wanting to come into the region. So we hope to see you there. And that again, May 25th at the Radisson Blue Hotel. If anything, book your room at the hotel right away because the rooms are filling up. And if you go to our website and you link in from there and you use the keyword Europa, they will give you a 15% discount on the rooms. And I would say even book for the weekend. Saturday afternoon, there's a big wine tasting at Milzinski's wine and bar or wine bar and restaurant up there, and always it'd be a great afternoon on the Saturday as well. So now we'll shoot over to Winston for the news.
Welcome back. And so here are the news for today's show. And a consortium of banks consisting of Santander Bank Polska, Helaba, Berlin Hype, Bank PKO and Deutsche Hypo Neud LB Real Estate Finance has made a total of 475 million euros available to HP Rivas for the refinancing of the Warsaw Place complex in Warsaw. Warsaw Place is a mixed-use development in the centre of Warsaw with offices, a hotel, retail space and restaurants. And the complex covers around 144,000 square metres and consists of 3 buildings. That's Warsaw 1, Warsaw 2, and there's an office tower which was designed by the architectural studio Foster & Partners, the so-called Warsaw Tower. And according to Beata Latorszczyk, head of Warsaw Representative Office of Deutsche Hypo Nord LB Real Estate Finance, we are convinced about the success of the Warsaw project, which is central location, architectural quality and consideration of ESG criteria. And moving to new appointments, and GTC announced that Ariel Fertzman, the company's CFO, will move from his current position to lead GTC's expansion into new markets and sectors, including the PRS sector. Barbara Sikora has been appointed to the GCC board as CFO, bringing her extensive experience in the financial and real estate sectors. And according to Zoltan Fekete, GTC's president of the management board, on behalf of the board, I would like to thank Ariel for his great contribution to our company. Over the last few years, he has repeatedly demonstrated his expertise, breadth of experience, understanding the markets, and above all, bold decisions that have put GTC in a strong financial position. Moving to Romania, and Romanian developer Julius has integrated Palace Campus, the biggest office builder in Romania, with a total leasable area of 60,000 square metres, of which 54,000 square metres are offices and the rest is retail. The project was completed following an investment of more than 120 million euros. The biggest tenant in the complex is the e-commerce giant Amazon, followed by Microsoft and Visma Software. There are also 13 other multinational firms that have taken residence in the project. And according to Iulian Dasalcu, the president of Julius, it's an attractive project, unique from many perspectives, with a mission geared towards developing and supporting the city and a strong focus on sustainability. And finally, for today, staying in Romania and 40 Management have announced that it has started work on the development of Central District Lagoon City Bucharest, a unique mixed-use urban redevelopment project. The value of the investment in Romania exceeds 120 million euros. And the projects will be scaled up in Budapest, Prague and Warsaw, and will have investment between 140 million and 190 million each, depending on the mix and the needs identified in those markets. To develop the Lagoon City concept, Forte acquired the Crystal Lagoons franchise, an innovative American technology company for the development and implementation of sustainable lagoons and artificial beaches. And according to Francisco Mate, Crystal Lagoons Regional Director, we are delighted to partner with Forte Management to bring the revolutionary Crystal Lagoons concept and technology to Bucharest, Budapest, Prague and Warsaw. And Lucian Zoite, Forte Management CEO. With this extraordinary project, we aim to redefine the notions of lifestyle and entertainment, bringing all these high-end amenities right into the city centre and transforming Bucharest into a holiday destination. And those are the headlines for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Winston, thank you for the news. And we've got two great events in May coming up. One is our Serbia Monthly CEO Awards, the nomination launch party, which will be in Belgrade at the Metropol Palace. That's May 11th. And then May 25th is our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards at the in Sopot. So we hope to see you at both, or at least at one or the other. We're got to do something before the summer hits. Anyway, great weather, and it'll be great to see you all. Have a good day. We'll see you on the news.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.